Most people think Affirm approvals are broken when they get denied. But here's the truth no one tells you. Affirm is not random. It is a strict risk system, and if you understand what it is looking for, you can fix most approval issues. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn exactly why Affirm is not approving you in 2026, what triggers the rejection, and step-by-step fixes to improve your approval chances fast. Let's start right away. First, understand how Affirm works. It does not only look at your credit score. It looks at your payment history, spending behavior, and account stability. For example, Alex has a steady income and gets approved easily because he pays on time. But Jake missed a payment on another buy now pay later app, and now his approvals keep getting denied. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest reasons for denial is previous, late payments. Even one missed payment on Affirm or similar services can reduce your approval chances significantly. Next, check your credit profile. Affirm may perform a soft or hard credit check depending on the purchase. If your credit history is thin or has recent negative marks, the system becomes more cautious. But here's the problem most people miss. Your order size matters a lot. If you try to make a large purchase as a new user, Affirm may automatically deny it. The system prefers small, low-risk transactions first to build trust. Another important factor is identity and banking consistency. If your name, address, or payment method does not match across your bank and Affirm account, the system can flag it as risky behavior. Now let's talk about a simple fix many users ignore: updating your app and clearing outdated payment methods. Sometimes approval failures happen because old card details or expired information interfere with verification. In a minute, here's the key insight most users don't realize. Affirm builds trust over time. That means your approval improves when you consistently make small purchases and pay them back on time without delays. Also, avoid applying for multiple loans or buy now, pay later approvals in a short period. Too many applications in a short time can make your account look unstable. Make sure your bank account has consistent activity. If your income deposits are irregular or missing, Affirm may see that as higher risk. So to summarize, Affirm not approving you is usually caused by missed payments, low trust history, large purchase attempts, identity mismatches, or inconsistent financial activity. The good news is that all of these can be improved over time. If you follow these steps, your approval chances will gradually increase as the system learns to trust your account. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance app fixes like this.